Hey there, and thank you so much for sticking to the course, and I hope you will enjoy the course so far. So we have everything. We have all the requirements, and even we meet with the client. She explained us everything. So yeah, let's get started. Okay. So mainly we have to cover the screen, the home page, the availability, where we have to add and schedule our calendar. Okay, then we have a calendar overview, or that could be job views, the what we need to cover. Then we have the messages, and the messages we have the top one should be on the top, so that could be easy to access. Okay, then we have the profile page and the swipe functionality. If we like the parent, we will like this and we will take the job. If we don't like it, we will skip it. Okay, and this is the functionality for the sitter. Okay, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so again, we have to do the brainstorming and research, creating the mood board, and for that, I think I will now speed up the process because you understand all the process previously. But if there is something important, I will definitely, explain that to you guys. Okay, so yeah, let's do it. I will go ahead and go to Chrome, and in here, this is Mobbin, and I'm in the Mobbin. In here, I will search for homepage because we are working on homepage, and yeah, we will try to do some of the apps, and let me just quickly show you, like in homepage, what we have over here is we have this task, the goals. Okay, that much. We have weekly goals, and yeah, then we have the next job booking this week, average rating over here. Then if we want to leave feedback to parent, that's how we can add the feedback. Then we have 5-star streaks, top 10% sitter, so that could be some sort of statistics. Okay, then we have the navigation, and here we have homepage, calendar, then swipe functionality, and then messages and profile. Okay, so yeah, on the top we have the Kiki logo and some sort of text. Okay, so yeah, let me just go ahead and go to Chrome, and let's see if we can find some inspiration for it. Okay, and yeah, let's do it. I think. Okay, so usually we have some task in the app, especially related to health, related to fitness. We have task over there, and if you can see over here, we have this app as well, Luna. Sorry, I will open that off. I think I like this one, and we have this great, we could call it slider. Yeah, we have it. I think we can take inspiration for it, like especially we have over here, so these three are, we can make it slider, so it could be easily accessible. Okay, now let's go to Chrome and search for, okay, I think I will also take a look into it. All right, tell me guys, which one is the best. I think we will also go for some Tinder type app, some dating type app as well. But let's see. Okay, we have it. Let's search for tasks. Oops, it opened the Task Rabbit app. Task, goals, and tasks. Wow, so we have this good slider here. We have then, like goals in here as well. So this time I will select this, even select this one as well. Okay, and then maybe select this one as well, this one as well, activities. Okay. So for now, I would like to keep that tab open as well, so we can take inspiration. But we need to get started. Okay. So okay, let's get started. All right. Boom. So for the home page, we have this one is also very good. In here we can clearly see our goals, the amount, that is the amount stuff. You can see over here these are the goals here. So I think we can definitely take inspiration from here. And we can also take inspiration from this one as well. Cool. Then we have this one is also very amazing and cool. I like it. This one is also good. This one is also very amazing. And yeah, so the top part, for the top part, I think I will use this idea. So this is gonna be our top part, where we have the profile, where we have this, maybe we can use this for settings. Even we can use the profile stuff here as well. But what do you think? What do you think, guys? Even, we can use this for premium as well. This is upgrade, and once we upgrade it, it will become premium. So and this one is nearby. Homepage. So yeah, let's get started. So I will go ahead and go to the high fidelity, and maybe we will take one screen that gonna help us. So for now, let's take this one. Okay, I just take this one, go to here and paste it here. Perfect. All right, so we have this text. I think let me just use this one. Let's use this one. Okay, the top part. So in here we have the profile, which is already on the top, and here we don't need this progress here. We don't need big button here. And even we will definitely use another status bar for this one. So I will go ahead and go to the main component. Okay, so here we have the main component. Go back to home page, copy this one, and go to the main component. Where is the main component? Here. Okay, cool. So for now I will take it down a little bit, paste this one here. Cool. And now I will need to give it an add. Okay, and this one should be home page or default 2. Okay, so in here we don't need this part, so instead of this one, for now I will use profile, or maybe we can use some image here. So for now I will use a profile, and definitely, once we have it, we can definitely add image into it. Okay, then we don't need this logo, so I will delete this. All right, and even we don't need this stiffer here. Perfect, this is very good. And also we can have, maybe for now, let's add a setting icon on and to the right. Okay, so for this one I will duplicate this. Okay, and I will decrease the size to 24 and give it an auto layout. Okay, so now let me just, okay, now I will select this and give it an auto layout, and here I will make this 8 pixel. I think 8 is a lot. Let's try 4 pixel and 4 pixel. Wonderful. And now I will add a stroke. Yeah, let's add stroke, and it should be rounded. Cool. And this one we can use gear or setting icon. Okay, so this is setting icon. It should not be fill. It should not be fill. I think this is fine. And for this one, you can see where here we have this gray color. So for the stroke we will use gray. So let's try use 40. Cool, I think we have it. Now I will go to the home page. Okay, and I will just select this default one. Okay, we don't need this. Why? So simply I will go to the home page here. We already have this one, so I will just copy this. I just copy that, return to instance, and I'll paste it here. Perfect. And now I will delete this. Even I will delete this whole part. We don't need it. Okay, cool. So you can see where here we have this Sarah here as well, right? So maybe let's use this one. So let's use this text here, maybe. What do you think? And this image. Okay, so I will go ahead and make this component. Okay, and let's try to copy it, so at least we are using the instance. And now I will give an auto layout, and I will make this component as well, and this one should be profile. Okay, and we can call it avatar. Cool. All right, now I will go ahead and paste it. Go to main component. Okay, cool. Now you can see over here we need to make sure so we have this profile stem. This we don't need this. Okay, then we have this frame. So I selected both of those, and I will give it an auto layout. Now this is an auto layout. Okay, and from left to right I will make it 16. Okay, and I will make sure it touch the, it should be file container, and this one should be also file container. Perfect. Boom. I think we have it. Okay, so I will go to instance, and now the stuff will be applied. Okay, now I will have to just type the text, and in here we have this text, hi hello. So this one we will name it hello. Okay, and for the text I think I will use this text here. This is, should be left align and 24. I think this is fine. This is fine, we can use that. So hi hello, ready to earn today. Okay, cool. Maybe we can use this one. This is this is too much bold. I think this is fine. Okay, this is very good. So we are almost done with that part. Okay, now okay, now we have to cover this one, weekly earning goals. So for this one we can even either do it like this, or maybe I have another idea which I think can work. So for the for this one I will give it an auto layout, and it should be 16, so at least we are fine. Okay, 16 here and 16 here, and this one should be left aligned. All right, boom, perfect. So now you can see over here we have this weekly earn goal. So I will just leave a room for this one. So now we have clear thing. Okay, so the first thing first, I will duplicate maybe this text. This is fine. Okay, so we have on top, we have weekly earning goals. Okay, and this text should be, okay, so $285, and then earned slash 350 goals. So that much is on, and that much we have the goal. Okay, so I think for we will make this regular maybe. Yes, I think it is very good. And what I can do here is, even for this one I will decrease it to that much. Okay, cool. And yeah, super. So now you can see where this 80% here is, if you can see where here in these inspiration we have these circles here, right? So maybe we can give it a circle. So hopefully that will be super great. Okay, so to do that I will go ahead and search for ellipse. Yes, and I will draw ellipse. Okay, so in the ellipse I needed, I would like, I will give it the ratio. I will increase it to maybe 80 pixel here. Make sure this touch both the side. Okay, and I'll place it over here like this. Decrease the size that much. Boom, I think this is works. This definitely gonna be working perfectly. And now I will duplicate this. So I will go ahead and duplicate this. Okay, so the reason I duplicate this is the one I will use it like, that much person is completed. Okay, so I think this is good for this. Yeah, I think I will decrease this to both to 75. 75 is fine. 75 here, 75 here. Okay, and now the top one, I will give it a sweep. Okay, so let me just give it a sweep that much. Make sure it starts from the middle, and it should be all the way to like this. It is 9. We can definitely play with that. Okay, so yeah, I think this is fine. So the top part, I will give it this color, and for this one, for the bottom one, below one, I will give it maybe 20%. Okay, and also in the middle, I would like to give it some percentage, which is over here. You can see over here in this case we have 80%, so I will give it 80%. Okay, it should be in the middle, and I will make this bold. Boom. And for this color, I will make this color. So lastly, I will give it and select this one and even the text, and I will give it an auto layout. Oops, auto layout not working. Let me just select here, give it an auto layout. Nope. So you know this, there are something that sometimes you need to use without auto layout. So in this case, I will just give it a frame. Okay, so now I just give this a frame. I will select both of those, give it an auto layout, and it should be middle align. And even I will go ahead and give this 16 pixel from left to right. Okay, and also instead of 16, let's give it 12 pixel. And also I will fill this. Okay, and for the color, I think let's give it 40%, 20%. I think this is fine, but in that case we will then need this need to be either 10 pixel 10% opacity or 40, so at least we have some contrast here. Okay, and now for the roundness, we have used 12 pixel all over, so 12% pixel roundness, so I will use 12 pixel roundness here as well. And from the top bottom, I will give it 12 pixel here as well. Perfect. Boom. I think this is also created perfectly. Okay, and lastly, I will give it another frame, so in that case I will give it 16%. Okay, and make sure it hit left right. Okay, cool. I think super we are on the right direction so far. And now I will give it auto layout, give this auto layout. This is 16 pixel, and in between this we have 10 pixel and 10, so 20 here. I think this is fine. This seems fine. Okay, so what do you think? Do you like this one? Even we can also round the the edges as well, but so I think for now I will keep this, and we can definitely will play with that. Okay, so far we are done with this part, and now for this one I do have one inspiration which I really like, and it was the first one which I really like that, especially which one was that? Let me just go back to Chrome. Which one was that? Let me just go to home page. It was a slider, you remember? Or you don't? Yeah, this was the thing that I was referring to. So I will just copy the screen, go to Chrome and paste it here. So you can see over here we have this next job Monday, right? Then we have three booking this week and average rating. So for this one, I think we can do a slider like this. So it could be even slide from left to right, or it could be automatically, sweep, after certain time it will be appearing, so it is like a slider. Okay, so I think we will have a great example here, and even though we will don't have a lot of text, even we can, for now let's skip this part. We already have inspiration for this one, one is this one and one was this inspiration, which I think is the perfect, so we can take inspiration from this one. Okay, so I'll go ahead and take this inspiration from this one. All right, let me just put that over here. Okay, so next job is Monday 5 to 8 p.m. So we will have next job, then we have bookings, so three bookings, then we have average rating. Okay, so three cards here, and I really like this idea here. So let's do that. Cool. I think I will I'll copy this, and for this one we just need an icon on the top. So for now I will just go ahead and copy this and paste it here, so it is something like this. And then the title on the top, obviously we will need to group this and giving it an auto layout, and then giving it some space, so 8 pixels would be perfect here. Then we have I think this is perfect. I will get rid of this one. Then the title, I think we can, let me just delete this, and instead of 24 I will give it 18 pixel. Okay, and this text is, let me see how much this text is. This is 14, and this I will give it 12 pixel. Okay, and boom, perfect. Now we have a perfect. Now for this one I will increase the size, so I will just hit K, increase that to 40, and the middle, the icon should be, this icon should be 20 pixel is fine. 20 pixel icon is fine, but instead of, with the help of I can do that like this. So 8 pixel and 8 pixel. Perfect. And now instead of fill I will give it a fill of, instead of stroke I will give it a fill, and I will delete the stroke from this one. Okay, so boom, we have a perfect stuff here. Now what I can do here, I will go ahead and we have 1 2 3, so 1 2 and 3. Perfect. I will select all of those and giving it an auto layout, and it should be horizontal. Okay, so perfect, we are in the right direction. Cool. Now I will try to even take the colors from here as well. Okay, cool, wonderful. And yeah, let's do it. So for this one it was 18 pixel, and we can use 16 here. I will copy paste property here. Okay, and the middle spacing, how much spacing we have here is 10 pixel, so I will go ahead and decrease this to 6 pixel. Yeah, I think this is fine. So now all we need to do is to just add the stuff here. Okay, so in here we have next job. Okay, so here is the thing. It will be like this, next job. Okay, and it should be Monday 5 to 8, 5 to 8 p.m. like this. Okay, then we have bookings, and it should be 3 bookings, 3. So something like this. Okay, then we have, in that case, we have activities. I think let's reverse the process. Let's reverse the process. Okay, it should be next job, and the next job should be Monday 5 to 8, 5 to 8 p.m. Perfect. Then we have bookings, and these are 3 bookings this week. Then we have average rating. I'm confused here. I'm a bit confused. Rating, and it should be 4.9 star. 4.9 stars. Okay. Let me just give it. Let's reverse this again. So it was it should be next job, and this one should be 3 bookings, and this one should be booking, and this one should be 4.9, 4.9, and it should be average rating. Average rating. I think this one is very good. This one is cool. So yeah, delete this, and now we have this average rating here like this. Okay, and now let me just add icons to it. So for the job, I will go select calendar or time. So calendar, I think this is calendar fill. This is fine. Then we have bookings. So for bookings, we can also use booking. We can also use calendar for this one. For the other one, we will use something different. So we will use calendar with clock. You can see over here, we can use this one. And this one, for this one, we will use star. So I will use star. We can use this one. We can definitely use this one because we have the same stuff here. So, but we can use star as well. This is just for demonstration purpose. Okay. Now I will go ahead and select the colors from here. Oops. Select this color, and it should be this one. No, I think it should be red like this. Okay, then these colors should also be red like this. Okay, cool. And now this color should be purple like that, and the same we're gonna use for this. All right, and this color should be brown like this. I'll go ahead and copy this and cool. So now we have a very good stuff here. We can definitely do this. And for this one I will also give another idea, which is some slider like that, the like this one what we have just discussed. So maybe for now I will just delete this, and Monday, next job is Monday that much, and we for now I will go ahead and just add, like these stuff here. Okay, so let me just go to rectangle, draw circle like that. It should be 10 by 10 and should be round here, 1 2 and 3. Okay, and the one which is highlighted and which is what we currently seeing, so it could be like this. Okay, now let's make it middle align, and it should be like 20, and this one should be this color. Okay, so it will be appearing like this. And even on the right side it is, we can maybe we can use this one like some sort of your next job, maybe some icons here or something, maybe some images here. So this is just like another variation which I gonna be present to the client. Okay, so super. I think I will just go ahead and take it on the top, which currently we don't need it for now. And then we have this CTA for leave feedback for Sarah from Thursday. Okay, so for the CTA I think we will try to use something differently. But you can see over here we have colors, this colors here, this color here. So for this one I will use another color. So maybe let's try some different color here. This is fine, but I will give it a stroke, and the stroke should be like this. Maybe for now it works, but yeah, we will definitely discuss that with the client, and hopefully we are settle with something. Okay, so overall I think we are done with almost half of the section. Now let's do this CTA. So for the CTA we can definitely take inspiration from like from here. Do we have inspiration here? Nope. Do we have inspiration here? Okay. So what we can do, this is very, I think we can also show this pending. No. Yeah, I think we can do it. We can do it like this. Okay. So let's do it. Even I think this is also very good. But yeah, let's give it a try. We already have a great output here. So leave feedback for Sarah. Okay, from Thursday. Okay, and in the left side we will use icon. Okay, let's delete this, and this one should be chat icon, or it should be star. Yep. And left to right we can, I will give it an auto layout, and it should be 12. And for this one I will increase the size. I will hit K, and this one should be filled. And now here I would like to add another icon, which is chevron icon. So to the right, okay, and it should be line, and instead of 1.5. And for the fill I will give this and like this. Okay, so this is just starting fine. We can definitely give it another touch, but we need to produce output. Simple. So if you are producing output, we will be happy, we will be keep generating the progress, right? And yeah, simple as that. Okay, so we have 5 stars streak, top 10% setter, reliable response. So this is exactly the same what we done over here. Okay, and 5 star streak we can do it either like this or like this. Okay, and I think now we have, so for this one it is fine. Okay, and for this one, for the streaks and these one we will do like this. Okay, so I will now select this. Okay, and 5 star streak. Okay, cool. So now delete this, and it should be star, and it should be star definitely. And here for this color I will use maybe this color. Nope. Nope. For this color we'll make it white, and this one should be this color. All right, 5 star streak, and this is too much, so maybe we can decrease to like this. And for this one we have 5 star streak, and we will use why it should be top align. This text should be 24 in bold, and we will use some icon like this. Okay, so fire star, icon scout. In here I will find some 3D icons. So search for stars, 3D. Yes. Let's use this one. Where are you? Why it's not downloading? I will hit this. Okay. It is not that good. Let's search. Okay. Insert. Okay. What do you think, guys? I think this is fine. I will increase this a little bit more, like that, and 5-star win streak, and we can decrease the size to like this. Okay, and it should be middle align. Yep. I think I will delete the, get rid of the auto layout. Yes, so we have this 5-star win streak. All right, cool. Yeah, I think this is fine. For this one, this icon, I will decrease the stroke. So the stroke should be, let's try 1 pixel. 1.5 is fine. Okay, in here, it will also be 1.5. For this one, it should be 7, or maybe the one with our primary color. this color needed to be, let's make this white. And if we are giving it a stroke, okay, I will definitely give it another touch. Okay, so now we have this whole cool thing. We have star win streak, and it could be another here. So select this like this. All right, and for now let's make this like that. Okay, and select this one, should be like this, and this color we can make for now like this. All right, boom, perfect. But what we missed here is the other stuff. We have the frame here, and this one should be here. Okay, now lastly, we will make sure this thing is middle align, and this thing touch. Let me just delete this, paste it here, and this color should be this one. Wonderful, cool. Now we have, all we need to do is this navigation. Okay,